Hey, Deep this side. So today we are going to start our series of Go High Level. So is a powerful tool with basically a CRM which will take your business to advanced level. Whether you are as an SEO owner, digital product owner, or you run a e-commerce business, real estate business, Go High Level will cover you each and everything from 0 to 10. Today we are going to learn about contact management inside Go High Level. So contact management is a powerful thing which you basically needs first for collecting leads, to nurture your leads and to manage your leads. So today we are going to see how you can manage your contacts, create new tags, smart list, and how you can see everything inside contacts in Go High Level. So I bet you other than this tool you will not need any other tool to watch this entire video. So let's deep dive in my and let's start.
Hey, so before starting, if you're not knowing much about GoHighLevel, so GoHighLevel is a CRM tool where you can do multiple things, and it is like on 14-day free trial. So you just have to go on GoHighLevel.com and you have to just start your free trial with them. They have like two options: $97 per month and $297 per month. What features you get here is same as other tools like CRM and pipeline management. Other tools can cost you all over like $99 per month. Unlimited sales funnels, website builder, surveys and forms, email marketing, two-way SMS marketing, booking and appointments, workflow automations, courses, products, call tracking, reputation management, tracking, analytics, communities, document signing, gray labeled mobile app, and white labeled desktop app. So this all is covered by High Level. I will cover everything in my each and every video of this series. If you go for other tools, it will cost you like more than $7,000 per month or even more. But if you go with Go High Level, it will only cost you $297 per month, which is premium plan. But if you also want to start with just $97 plan, you can just go with that. And this tool is literally amazing. One thing which I can tell you is, if you start using this tool, it will save you like almost a lot of money in which you're investing on different softwares to do different things, right? So today our goal is to understand how contact management works in Go High Level. So let's start that. So this is entire dashboard back dashboard of Go High Level. Starting with contacts management, you just have to go under contacts and you will find all the contacts here. And let's say if you want to add a new contact, you just have to add a new contact here. And this is like Deep, last name Andy, email. I will just pick one of them. Okay, no problem. I will just type. Then phone number, if you want to add, I would not add that just now. DND is something do not disturb all channels. So let's say if someone in your list don't want that you should send them emails, so you can just add them to DND for emails, text messages, calls, voicemails, etc. So this is. Then next thing is save. You just have to click save and you boom, contact will be created. I already have a contact, so it will not be created because it is a duplicate contact. Then let's get back to it. Second thing is pipeline change. Let's say this is another topic. If you want to track each contact's journey, you can change their pipeline. I will have a second video for how pipelines works. So you just have to select whatever contact you want to add in the pipeline stage, select pipeline change, click on that, and you can just select what pipeline you need them. So let's say if you need them in sales pipeline, what stage you need. So in sales pipeline, let's say this is a hot lead to whom I need to follow up. Opportunity name would be the lead name. So let's say XYZ, whatever the name is, XYZ. Opportunity source, so source is like from where you got this lead. So I got this from Facebook, so Facebook FB. Lead value, so if you are selling some digital product or physical product or like coaching program, anything, so how much value this lead will cost to you. So let's say if I'm selling $27 membership, so I can just add $27 lead value. Opportunity status, if you want to add a status like open, won, lost, abandoned, so you can just add any of them and add and update opportunity. So once this is done, you will find them under opportunities, and you can see what stage they are in, right? It takes a bit time. Yep. So I have not added that, you will not see. Then next is add to automations. Now automations, everyone will be familiar with automations, is like creating something on automated, like when there is some action taken from lead, there would be a trigger, and when that trigger is triggered, further actions are initiated. Like let's say if we have a trigger as in form submitted, then second action is that we need to send them an email, so that action would be initiated. So let's say if you have added someone manually, or if you got someone, if there is one existing client or lead and you want to add them to certain workflow, so you just have to select that person and you can just directly add them to a workflow from here itself. So yep, proceed, select the workflow type. So these are all the workflows which you will see, and you can just add them quickly by clicking on add to automation. Then next thing is send email. So this is something when you want to send any email to a particular person, you can just go and click on that person. You can just click on send SMS. Let's see first how to send SMS. Send SMS. If you want to send SMS, search by number. You can like this is our authorized number, so we can just click on that, type your message and send SMS. Boom. Now next is same send emails. So you just have to click on email. You just have to fill everything like from name, email subject, body, and then you can either schedule it, you can send it in drip mode, you can send it in all at once, and yep, send email. Then next comes is add tags. This is important. So let's say if you have uh, 4 variations of your leads, so you are getting leads from Facebook, you are getting leads for your digital product, you are getting leads for your membership, so you want to add them into different tags. So let's see, these two are from our membership, so I want to add tag called membership. So you can manually go there, action name, you can just add whatever description it is like membership, and you can add tag. Before you add tags, always remember you should have that tag created already in your CRM. So let's say if I pick any of those and boom, add tag, so they will be added as in tag. And same process is if you want to remove tag, you will select the tag and you can just remove them from that tag. So whatever tag you want to remove, you can just select that and remove. Delete contact, if you want to delete some contact, and if you want to do that in bulk, just select those contacts, delete, and boom. Send review request, you can send directly a review request to anyone from contact management itself. You just have to click on this, but before this you should have set up and review request option, SMS review request, email review request. You can send any of those, and action and send a review request. Boom. For email review request, yeah, just have to select this. You can send in drip mode or all at once. Export contacts, let's say if you want to export 1000 contacts, just have to select all of these 20, or you can select all how many you have in your leads. You can just export contacts and boom, you will get that as a CSV file. One sec. Yep, so this is the CSV file. Then next is import. So let's say if you want to import a CSV list, and you just have to go on import contact, you will upload your file. So let's say the file which we have downloaded, I want to import that. open. Next, now you have to map. So mapping is like you have to map all the columns so that each contact should come in right column. So let's say this is first name. I have mapped it out with first name. So these are blank. You can just go here, you can find appropriate columns and you can just match them. If you don't want to match them, skip that and next, and you can just submit. So this is for import. Add or edit company. So let's say if you are having b2b leads and you want to add more company information for them, so just you have to select contact, you have to add and update company or remove company, and action name, select a company. You should have that company already created in your GHL, and confirm. If you want to merge contacts, so this is basically like very big problem. When you have duplicates, you don't have any other tool to merge them. So now GoHighLevel has covered that. You just have to select those contacts and you have to click on merge up to 10 contacts, and you can merge them with like one contact so that you should not have spam leads on your list. Then next thing comes is, let's go through columns first. So let's say if you imported some list and you're only seeing like 4 to 5 or 6 columns here, you can just click on columns and you can add more columns on your list from here. Most people struggle with this. I see when they just add any list, they just have added some random custom field column and they could not find them here. So you just have to go on the columns, you have to add that column and you can find that. More filters is like phenomenal. So let's say if you want to search someone based on tags, so tags, tag is, please select the tag, and let's say if I select one of the tag, purchase some random tag, I'm not sure, maybe this one, apply, and you will see all the contacts inside that particular tag, and you can simply create a smart list from here. A smart list is a list where you can add particular leads or particular type of people in that smart list. So let's say if you want to send email to only those people to whom you want to sell your let's say digital product, a coaching as a consultant, if you want to send them some coaching program and that is $27, and you have a certain audience which is under tag called BC221 purchase, you can just create a smart list, and using that smart list you can just simply name that smart list BCC21 something like that, random, and you can just see that list here itself. You can just select all of them and boom, you can just send them email or SMS. So this makes your work easy and you can just do it like with one click, right? You can use more filters if you want to search someone with business name, company name, email, first name, full name, last name, tag, anything, address, assign, birth date. If you want to search any of those using these filters, you can just come here and you can just search them by this. Google ID, Instagram ID, there are so many with custom fields. If you want to search, like if there is some question, let's say what kind of product or service do you offer, if you want to search those people and you don't know how to do that, just go to filters, select that custom value is, now you have that appropriate answer with you. That let's say if I am in real estate, and people those who will answer this as in real estate, they will just come up and show here. So just know there are no contacts there, it is not showing up. So let's delete this filter and come out. Next thing is we will now deeply talk about if you want to go inside particular lead and if you want to do certain things. So let's say if I go to this one is me. So let's say if I came here, this is me. Now you can see everything from here, what all emails I have got, what all SMS I have got, internal comments, everything. And let's cover each of that. So let's start with this left column. So under contacts, you can see my name, my last name, my email. You can simply edit it from here if you want to. You can verify this email if it is not a legit email or something. You can delete it from here. You can add phone number, you can add date of birth. So let's say if you forgot to add phone number, and if you want to add later on, you have to come under contacts, find that contact, click on that, and you have to come here and add the phone number, right? Now date of birth, contact source, and then if you want to add company information, you can add here and add as in company. In general info, you will find business name, street address, city, country, state, postal code, website, if you want to add something about these things. And these are few custom fields which are under general info. Additional info is this, where you have more custom fields. You can just come and you can just manually upload them here, right? So if you want to add something for any particular lead, you have just to come inside and add that. If you want to assign them tags, so one way was to select the contact and add them in a tag. But if you want to add that particular person in a tag, you just have to come on that lead, click there on their name, and you can just search for the tag and add them in a tag. Automations. One first simplest process was to just select them and add them into an automation. But if you want to do in a bulk, I always prefer to do with the first method I just showed. But if you want to add someone particular, you just have to go here inside that particular lead, and you can just click on add, and you can search the workflow. You can add the date when you want to add them and add. If you don't want to add the event started, just leave it blank. If you want to add them in some pipeline or opportunity, you can just simply click on opportunities, add, and you can create that. You can just select the pipeline, then stage, all customers, and create, boom, and you will see that under pipelines. Next is if you want to offer any course under membership area to that particular person, you just have to come inside that. So let's say if someone made purchase of $97 and you have that as a membership course in membership area, I will create some other video for that, and you want to offer them these are the courses which we have. So if you want to offer any of those, you will just simply click on coaching success package, let's say, and boom, that person will get this email immediately with login info, and this is from GHL itself, and boom, community groups. So this is just like Facebook groups. If you have a community inside GHL, you can add them in the groups. So just now we don't have any. Change password. Let's say if someone said, hey, I just forgot my password, so you can just send them a password reset link, or you can just change their password immediately here. So this is, then next is DND, as I told you. So if someone just comes in, recently we got one lead who's just sent us a reply back on one of our email that, hey, please remove me from your list. So we just went there, we just turned on DND for him for all the channels, and we just deleted him from our list. So this is, then if this lead will come in your CRM, best thing which I love about this GHL is you can watch each and each activity of that particular lead, so like from where it has came and how it has performed, everything. So let's say if someone went to your funnel, so it will show like page view. I will show you some example really quick, just give me a sec. Okay, so here is one of the example. If you see on the right side, this person visited our funnel, which is 2 page, and if I click on this, you can directly see what page they went through to. They went here, they submitted to form, right? So we have a form there on that funnel, and then this contact was created. So that is why we can see entire activity here. This is like superb, and you can see date, time, everything, source from where they came. So this was a direct traffic. Then second thing we should go through is these useful features. So first one is activity. Second one is task. So now you don't need any other task creation tool. You can just simply go to this lead. You can simply create a task, add a task for yourself. Let's say if you want to follow up with them, you want to call them, you want to give them access, or you want to remove them from your list on that particular date, you can just schedule your task with that lead, and that will mark as a task under tasks. You can just go here under task and you will see all your tasks here, right? And you can just simply work on those tasks as per date. Now next thing is notes. So let's say if you want to add some notes to that particular contact. So let's say if I want to add let's say I want to add as he came from Facebook outreach. I will just add this, save, boom, this note added. So now if someone will come here, they will just check on the notes, they will just see this note. If you want to schedule appointment, you simply can schedule it from here itself instead of going from calendar or sending them a calendar link. So let's say if you are doing cold outreach and if they're interested to book appointment with you, you can just simply go and you can just simply add in your calendar. So you should have that calendar before. So let's say if we have this calendar, you add a title, team member, date, time, meeting location, confirmation, and book appointment. Boom, they will get email immediately. Documents. Let's say if you want to add some documents like contract document or some other document, if you want to add under this lead, you can just add it here and they will simply get that via email. Payments, this is super. Payments is like phenomenal. Many of the clients does this. So if you are like, let's say if you want to collect some payment, you have their credit card info, you can just simply go here, actions, add card on file, charge now, create subscription. You can create subscription. So this is like phenomenal for manual tasks. Create invoice, if you want to send them an invoice every month. So I want to add first of all a card. So you should integrate your Stripe first, then it will ask for your card details. You can add additional options, live mode, add card, boom, and you will see that card here, card info, right? You can charge them immediately if you want to charge them. Then next is associations. So associations is like you can just add them, go to object, create a. So you can create links, for particular leads, and you can track their interactions. So these are basically UTM links. So this is, oops, one sec. So I have covered these all here. Then now let's cover these options on top of our list. Bulk actions. So let's say if you send someone bulk emails using this process, like you select them and you send them email, or maybe also from email marketing, like from under marketing, if you send emails, bulk action will show you all of your bulk actions. So let's say if I sent this email yesterday, on 19, and you can see the total processed, delivered, escaped, error, and you can see detailed overview of your emails like opened, clicked, replied, unsubscribed, complained, everything. And this will help you in tracking as well. Restore, if you want to restore any of your contacts, you can just go here and restore all of them, right? Task, I already told you, if you want to create any task, you can just come here, you will see all the tasks here. You can filter them out by due ascending, descending, any of them, by status, company. You can add companies here. As I told you, if you want to add company to any particular lead, you can just come here, you can create first of all that company, and then you can assign that to a particular lead, right? Manage a smart list. So manage a smart list, we just created a smart list, so you can just manage them from here. Most of the time problem comes is people don't know how to share a smart list with their entire team. So there are various ways. You can only create a smart list for you, You can also share that from your team. So if you click on share smart list, you can just share it as a global list and save. This will be shared by all the users in your GHL. So this is all about contact management. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and you will get more videos coming soon on Go High Level, and you will get a full tutorial about Go High Level of like 3 to 4 hours soon. I'm just on that process. And let me know in comments if you have any questions regarding Go High Level. It's been 7 years I'm using Go High Level, and in this industry I have worked with more than 800 plus clients on Upwork. So I am like, Go High Level is on my fingertips. So let me know. Thank you. Bye.